So the koala is like right in front of me. Oh my god, he just kissed me. That was really awesome. I didn't touch him. You see that, Derek? He got up to me. It's actually not that scary. I just hope he doesn't bite me. It's like calling a cat. I'm gonna call him Timon. Timon. You got really close to me.
Oh.
He is itching himself, scratching himself. We got quite an audience here. We're at the right outside the Jaguar Inn Hotel where we're staying at. We got quite an audience. Everybody's here. The lady's trying to give him a candy. Oh my god. She wants a picture with him. Oh my god. She just gave him a candy. And he's off with it. I guess he's a big star here.